Hi everyone, welcome to the Teamcast. Because a team is a social experience, it behooves you to learn socially intelligent tactics. This episode describes one such tactic. An important office in organizations today is the Diversity and Inclusion Office, or D&I, because demographic trends show the incoming workforce continuing to grow in visible diversity. D&I is important for this demographic trend, but it's also important because our brains are actually wired to be exclusive. Yep, you heard that right. And speaking of herds, animals instinctually know that other animals that look like them are safe to be around. And this is particularly true of herd animals who find safety literally in the herd. Similarly, the human brain is instinctually wary of people we don't know until we determine if that new person is a friend or foe. In fact, people also tend to be herd animals in an effort to access resources and minimize risks. Now, because our brain is hardwired toward exclusion, we need to practice conscious inclusion to compensate for this hardwiring and to be able to access the valuable, unique perspectives of those we perceive to be different than us. Conscious inclusion is engaging a person you perceive to be different using rewarding tactics based on the 5 factors most important to predicting outcomes from interactions. These 5 factors are status, certainty, autonomy, relatedness, and fairness. Now, an example rewarding tactic for status is to use genuine inquiry to learn more about another person's competence and character, and then compliment the person based on what really impresses you. An example rewarding tactic for certainty is to test for understanding by asking another person to repeat back in their own words what you've said and then confirm they've understood or provide more explanation and information as needed. You get the idea. And you can also create rewarding tactics for autonomy, relatedness, and fairness. So, remember that the one trait of social intelligence needed for a diverse workforce is conscious inclusion. Thanks for watching the Teamcast.